Yeah, that's how you spell my name. What's up? What's poppin'? What's good? Hi, you guys. So, I'm at my father's house. And I'm finna cook me some shrimps and then I might go out later. But, you guys, it is literally 30 days into my 21st birthday. What? Your girl's legal. What? Your girl is finna be, hold on. I'm finna show y'all. Your girl is finna be splitting your IDs up on it. Fucking look at this. What are you talking about? But no, for real, I'm gonna show y'all how I cook my little saute shrimps and stuff. My dad finna go to sleep, so I don't think he's gonna be out here. I had left work early for my mental. I couldn't do it. And yeah, and a little secret for you guys. But y'all didn't hear from me. So, we're not gonna speak on it and we're not gonna talk about it. But just know, your girl is. Oh, I can't even think of the song. Alright, so. Okay, y'all. Bye. Okay, so you guys, before I get started, I always pour me something to drink, regardless if it's Kool-Aid, water. I just need something to drink when I start cooking, and y'all gonna see later on why. So as y'all see, I got my my butter, and I got all my seasonings: Creole, paprika. Oh wait, that's not paprika. You know what? I'm gonna just let y'all see the seasonings because I don't got time. I'm just gonna speed it up for you guys a little tad bit. So you guys, I tried to be so fancy. Just how I see everybody doing all these cooking videos. They usually put all their seasonings on a spoon or like in a little measuring cup. There's my father. Anyways, and then they put it in a bowl and just season everything. So that's how it went. But it turned out that just doesn't fit me. And it was just like I was just pouring so little. And y'all gonna see what I mean. Like, this wasn't enough seasoning for these shrimps. One thing about it, and two things for sure, I would never ever, and y'all will never ever catch me seasoning anything that I'm cooking like this ever again. It took me 3 minutes just to get all the seasonings out and to putting on a bowl to season my shrimp. No, I'm not doing that no more. Like, you guys, just look at this. This is not giving. It's not making my shrimps look all colory, pretty, reddish. You know what I'm saying? Like that, I will never do that seasoning method again. A lot of seasoning is never enough too much seasoning. To me, maybe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. Both links will be in the description. So as y'all seen from the color of my shrimp, I was not satisfied with it. So I went back and started adding more seasoning. Like, we're not finna do that. I'm trying to show out for you guys. Like, no, we're not finna do that. So we finna start over. So I went back and also added a little bit of more cayenne pepper. I do like my sauteed shrimps a little spicy, but it's not gonna be a spice that lasts forever. One of the shrimps damn near cut me. Like, what? So I wasn't bleeding, so I finished what I started. I got my pan, I got my stick of butter, and now it's time for the magic to happen. But before the magic happens, a smoke break. Yeah, when I mean My job stresses me out. My job stresses me out, and this is very well needed. So don't mind me. If you can stay clean and multitask like me, then this will never be a problem. You can smoke and cook. So usually before I start, I do already warm up my pan, and I also rub the butter all over the pan. I'm not gonna lie, I pretty much almost use up the whole butter stick. But at the end of the day, we making sauteed shrimp. And the only way it's gonna be sauteed is with the butter. So don't judge, it's still gonna be good. And you don't gotta follow after how I cook stuff. So now I'm about to add the shrimp one by one. I don't want the juice, the water juice from the shrimp to go into the pan. A real cook cleans up as they cook. You feel me? So I'll be right back. Give me one quick second so I can wash my dishes. So now all I'm just doing, I'm just mixing and letting it cook. And then in a few minutes I'm going to add some more butter in here, but I'm gonna just let y'all watch the process. Cooking sauteed shrimps takes like 15 to 20 minutes, and sometimes I like to be extra and leave it in and cook it for like 25 minutes, but that's because I put a lid over my top and let it just sit for an extra 5 minutes. But yeah, so just enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy. So you guys, this is how my shrimp is looking so far. I added another thing of butter, and I'm just letting it cook, and I just keep mixing. Okay, and now it's time for me to put the lid on and let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes. So my shrimps are finally done, and this is what they look like. And enjoy. Usually I'll cook it with some white rice or grits, but I just wanted the shrimp today.